Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is such a great saint on the strength of his true devotion, Tattva-gyan, compassion and service, who has set a new example in the society. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj's wonderful works of social welfare from all his Satlok ashram have shown the society a new hope for a golden future. After taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, millions of people were cured of incurable diseases like cancer, AIDS, etc. Inspired by the knowledge of Sant Ji, his followers donated lakhs of units of blood. Sant Ji got lakhs of sisters and daughters married without dowry. Sant Ji helped lakhs of people to get rid of addiction. Millions of ruined families were settled. During the gathering in St. Ji's ashram, free eye treatment and dental treatment is provided. From time to time, tree plantation is done on a large scale by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj for the purpose of environment protection. Sant Ji started ambulance service to provide immediate relief to the needy. Sant Ji inspires his followers to donate their bodies so that service to humanity and improvement can be done in the medical field. Free food distribution is organized every day in all the ashrams of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, where people of every caste and every religion sit together and eat. Thousands of elderly people get an opportunity to live life with respect and love. In Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj's ashram, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj takes full responsibility of their food, accommodation and health. All the ashrams of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj are no less than a boon for orphan children. Education, culture and better opportunities for the future are provided, be it flood, earthquake or epidemic. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and his followers always stand at the forefront for the needy. During the COVID epidemic, food, medicines, and life-saving materials were provided to crores of people from the ashrams of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Be it helping the poor or fighting for the rights and respect of any exploited and oppressed class, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj has helped raise their voices to the government and has played an important role in getting them proper justice. Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj is committed to human welfare at every step in bringing awareness about spiritual and social values in the society. The life of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj teaches us that true service is that which is done selflessly. Let us also join this great saint in this great work of service and make our lives blessed by taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. You and your family are cordially invited to Satlok Ashram.
Let us now listen to the thoughts of a follower who received amazing benefits from true devotion by taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Meenakshi Verma and I am from Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh.
Miss Meenakshi, when did you take initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj?
I took initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj on 15 August 2016.
Before taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, did you follow any other devotional practices?
Yes, sir, we used to worship all deities, mainly believing in Durga.
What was the reason for you to take initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj?
Once my sister explained to me the creation of nature, which she had learned from one of the spiritual discourses of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. I didn't believe her and demanded strong proof to support her claims. One day, I happened to watch a spiritual discourse by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj on television. He referenced various holy books such as Gita, the Bible, and the Guru Granth Sahib, explaining them in detail. At that moment, it became clear to me that this was the proof I had been seeking. Following that, I read the book Gyan Ganga and took initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Did you get any benefits after taking initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj?
Yes, I received many blessings and benefits afterward. For instance, my husband used to consume a lot of chewing tobacco and occasionally drank alcohol. His addiction to these substances made it difficult for me to sleep at night. However, once he took initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, he was able to overcome his addiction. The second major benefit occurred during our trip to Pangad, Jabalpur. There was a collision between a bus and our car, which resulted in the entire front windshield of our car being shattered. The car shook violently, but we didn't feel any impact from the crash. At that moment, we realized that we were saved by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. I want to share a personal story about my younger sister who faced serious heart issue coming from a financial disadvantaged background. We struggled to afford her medical treatment. The doctor diagnosed her with a ventricular septal defect, a type of heart defect. We often prayed and wondered how we could help her. After learning about the teaching of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj and the belief that God can heal all ailments, I was inspired to pursue my sister to seek initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Since that day, she has not needed any medication and has remained healthy. We had been planning to drill a water well, but we were unaware of the restrictions. The construction vehicle had already arrived and started drilling. However, there were police patrols in the neighborhood, which made us anxious about how the well could be completed without drawing any scrutiny. We prayed to God for the successful completion of the well, concerned about the police vehicles roaming the villages. Surprisingly, the police team did not hear the noise from the construction activities, and by the grace of God and Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, the well was finished overnight. I would like to share a significant incident involving my sister, who is devotee of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Recently, her husband contracted the coronavirus and his oxygen level dropped dangerously low. The doctor warned that his condition could be fatal. In response, we prayed to Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, who teaches that true devotion can help overcome the greatest obstacles. Remarkably, within just 2 days after our prayers, his oxygen level returned to normal. Another miracle was that my sister spent nearly the entire month with her husband while he was ill with coronavirus. Yet she did not contract the virus. Thanks to the grace of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, it is evident how divine intervention allowed for such a miraculous recovery. Today, my sister's husband is completely healthy. Another benefit I wanted to highlight was regarding my sister's experience in finding a suitable husband. Despite being very well educated, she faced challenges in her search for a partner. As we were part of the spiritual group associated with Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, we did not have much knowledge about how to proceed with the marriage ceremony, which is known as Rameni. After an extensive search, we received a proposal from a man who was not part of the spiritual group. This raised significant concern for us since we are not devoted followers and were unsure about how taking that step. Fortunately, within 10 days, it seemed that God made all the arrangements and they got married during the Bhopal Rameni conference. Today, by God's grace, both of them are devoted followers of Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj.
Miss Meenakshi, it is said that people connect with Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj out of superstition. Is this true?
No, it is absolutely false. People today are well educated and analytical. The spiritual teachings provided by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj are not baseless. They are logical and backed by evidence. He emphasized that the traditional forms of devotion that we practice may be misguided. He argues people of faith to follow their scriptures such as Ved, Puran, Gita, Bible, and Quran. Therefore, he has not made any incorrect statements. Anyone interested in learning more about Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj's spiritual knowledge can easily verify his teachings against these holy texts. Additionally, they can read the books written by Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj to assess for themselves the authenticity and accuracy of his teachings.
Miss Meenakshi, you mentioned that you have been follower of the Kabir sect since the beginning of your spiritual journey. However, you also traveled considerable distance to Haryana to take initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, who also follows Kabir. Given your long-standing association with the Kabir sect, what promoted you to seek initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj so far from your home?
There is only one reason for me to seek initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. The knowledge he provides aligns with that presented in the Veds and the Gita. While the teachings from other Kabir sects do not correspond with any other holy scriptures, Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj offers valid proven arguments in his spiritual discourses that are derived from our sacred texts. He refrains from sharing his opinion regarding devotional practices. Rather, he specifically points out the chapters and verses of each spiritual book he references in his discourses, aiming to benefit all people of faith and those seeking God.
How can one obtain initiation from Sant Rampal Ji
To
Maharaj?
receive initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, you can follow these steps. His spiritual discourses are broadcasted on various television channels, and a yellow strip at the bottom of each discourses display the contact number for different initiation centers. You can call the nearest center to receive initiation from Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj. Additionally, you can order his book for free.
Thank you.
Sat Sahib.